In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Google Workspace. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to use the core apps you'll rely on every day. Start by opening Google Workspace in your web browser and signing in with your Gmail or your company-provided email. Once you're in, you'll see the app launcher and can jump straight into the tools you need. Let's begin with Gmail. Open Gmail from the app menu. To send a message, click Compose, type the recipient's email address, add a clear subject and your message, then click Send. Keeping your subject line specific helps your message stand out and makes it easier to find later. Next is Google Drive, your online file hub. Open Drive and click plus New to upload files or create folders. Organize as you go so everything is easy to locate. When you need to manage a file, right-click it to share, rename, download, or move it. Descriptive file and folder names save time and reduce confusion. For documents, use Google Docs. From Drive, click plus New and select Google Docs. Start typing right away. Your changes save automatically, so you never lose progress. When you're working with others, you can share the document, leave comments for feedback, and collaborate in real time without emailing attachments back and forth. For data and tracking, open Google Sheets. Create a new sheet and enter your information in rows and columns. To do quick calculations, use formulas like =sum a1 a 10, to total a range, or =average a 1 a 10 to find the mean. Even simple formulas can turn a basic list into a helpful report or budget. For meetings, open Google Meet. Click New Meeting to create a session, then share the meeting link with your participants. When you join, use your mic and camera as needed, and adjust settings before you start to ensure clear audio and video. For scheduling, open Google Calendar. Click directly on the date and time you want, add an event title, invite people, and save. Calendar will handle the invites and reminders, keeping everyone aligned. Finally, here's how to share files properly from Drive. Right-click the file, click Share, and add the email addresses of the people you want to include. Choose the appropriate permission level, viewer to read only, commenter to add feedback, or editor to make changes. When you're ready, click Send. Selecting the right permission helps protect your content while enabling teamwork. That's it. You're signed in and equipped to use Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and Calendar with confidence.